Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I wanted to show you a real quick 5-minute trick. Save you a little bit of cash and maybe, give you something else you can do creatively. This is wet dry baked eyeshadow. Okay. This one is by American Idol. Get it? Yeah. And this one is by Sally Girl. Now, I like the American Idol the best. And this is just a sponge with some water on it. Now, you can probably remember this from a previous video where we tested out our homemade modeling paste. Well, today what we're going to do is we're going to color. So we're just going to put a little bit of water on our finger. And we're going to go in to the wet dry shadow. And then we're just going to pick it up and just lightly go across the top. If you can see that, it adds color. Now, let's try a different color. So this is the emerald green. You can see a little bit goes a long, long way. And it just adds a little bit of color and a little bit of shimmer to the project. And then, just like anything else, if you want to set that, hit it with a little hairspray. Now, the thing about eyeshadow is it's designed to be really sparkly. So you've got your color on there. I'm hoping you guys can see that. There you go. You can see a little bit of the glitter. You've got your shine, your glitter, your color. When the hairspray dries, this will be perfectly protected. It won't rub off or anything after that. And you can use this for cards. You can use this for your mixed media. You can use this for tags, journals, whatever you want. And you can get eyeshadow like this, and it really should be the baked eyeshadow, the wet dry, because it turns into like a paste when you wet it, and you end up getting that sheen on there. Now this is dry and it doesn't rub off, and it's good to go. So that's my quick save you a couple of bucks. Everybody's got some kind of eyeshadow hanging around the house. Like I said, I prefer the baked shadows, but if you don't have this, that's fine. Use a different shadow. But if you want to fix it on there, little hairspray, no problem. So do me a favor and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, spread me around the internet, tell all your friends. Until I see you next time, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.